Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. Here's Bloomberg's Lisa Mateo. We're all fired up
Getting loony here.
Of course, Petco, Chewy, and all of them. Might as well give your heart and soul to it. Joining us now on Woof, Lisa Mateo.
I love it. Ticker WOOF. Petco shares have been up more than 20% before the bell, so a big surge. It raised its earnings targets for the year, but the company has been under this turnaround, so it's starting to work. I mean, it brought in CEO Joel Anderson, reported its first annual net loss as a public company, so they brought him in to kind of shake things up. So he's focused on revamping the stores, closing underperforming locations. He's reworking all the inventory. He's adding investment in high growth areas like animal pharmacies and also grooming. Yes, Tom knows about the grooming costs. And then when you compare it to Chewy, Petco has fallen about 15% this year through the market close yesterday compared to a 24% rise for Chewy. So the two completely different.
Where's Amazon in all this? I mean, just extremes Amazon.
Do you put Topper on VetBill's food? Does VetBill get Topper?
What is Topper?
Like a little something that makes, so it's not just like your typical run-of-the-mill dog food.
My brother called up and said they'd switched to some fancy overpriced live real food thing. Yeah, that's stuff. So unfortunately we tried it because of him. And the dogs instantly were better. They liked it. They looked better.
That's right.
Oh.
So we do this
high end.
Mrs. Keene won't let me know what it costs.
Right.
It's just.
It has to be in the fridge, doesn't it?
It has to be in the fridge, and it comes in a big
fancy
fridgy box.
Yep.
Good morning, Nashville, Tennessee. I think that's where it comes from. But it's dogs. The kennel fee went to the dentist. $1,202.
Wait, what?
$1,202.
You don't brush your dog's teeth?
No, the kennel fee is really hot. She's doing something with Ogilvy or something, ads.
Okay.
And the ad guy went mental and said, you got to get the teeth done. So we got the doggy teeth done for $1,200. Next.
My goodness. That's why I have no pets. Dell, that's where we're going next. Ticker DELL. Their shares have been down about 6%. So they booked fewer sales of AI servers than in the previous 3 months. Reported profit margins that fell short. But there's been this sales boom for makers of high-powered servers like Dell because of the need for computing to run
so
the AI tools.
Michael Dell is AIE?
Yes, the servers. So because they depend on these expensive processors from companies like NVIDIA and Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, investors are worried about the profitability of the AI servers. So that's a big worry for them. Despite all that, though, Dell did boost its annual outlook. They posted quarterly sales and profit topped estimates. Its rival HP, we talked about them the other day, they had better PC numbers Wednesday, sales rising about 6%.
Right.
But when you compare the two, overall HP shares have performed worse than
Bottom
Dell.
of the pandemic, Dell's up 42% per year.
Yeah.
Bottom of the pandemic.
Of course. No, it depends on when you got in. But, Dell's actually made some progress in recent years, I think, on a number of different fronts. Their top line, their bottom line, they've improved margins. Yeah,
okay.
Yeah,
one more?
We got to go to Caterpillar, CAT, yes, the world's
Caterpillar.
biggest maker machinery, right? Mining construction. It warned that it faces a larger than expected tariff headwind, and they gave a price as much of $1.8 billion this year. Now, you compare that, it's higher than their August 5th guidance, which put it at 1.3 to 1.5. So it's a bit higher. They say the revision, it's not expected to affect the company's sales and revenue outlook that were provided back in August. Citi saying the main reason is because tariffs on steel, aluminum, huge for them, obviously.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.